Greetings, welcome back to the Health is Wealth channel. I'm Sebastian Gary, your content curator. Golden algae, also known as fucoxanthin, is a pigment found in certain types of seaweed, including wakame, kelp, and kombu. It is believed to have a number of potential health benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and heart health. It is a xanthophyll, which is a class of pigments that are found in plants and algae and are responsible for the yellow, orange, and brown colors found in these organisms. Wakame, kelp, and kombu have been used for centuries in traditional Japanese and Korean cuisine and have a long history of use in traditional medicine. These seaweeds are a rich source of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. In Japanese and Korean cuisine, wakame, kelp, and kombu are often used as an ingredient in soups, stews, and other dishes. They are also used to make dashi, a broth that is used as a base for many Japanese dishes. These seaweeds are a good source of nutrients, including iodine, which is important for maintaining healthy thyroid function, and calcium, which is important for bone health. In traditional Japanese and Korean medicine, fucoxanthin-containing seaweeds, including wakame, kelp, and kombu, have been used to treat a variety of health conditions, including obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure. These seaweeds are believed to have a number of potential health benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and heart health. Golden algae, also known as fucoxanthin, was first identified as a pigment in these seaweeds in the early 1900s, and since then, it has been studied for its potential health benefits. The potential health benefits of golden algae began to be more widely recognized in the 1990s, when a number of studies were conducted on its effects on weight loss and insulin sensitivity. Since then, golden algae has become increasingly popular as a dietary supplement, and it is now widely available in the form of capsules, tablets, and other products. Let's delve deeper into the potential benefits of golden algae. Golden algae may help to improve insulin sensitivity, which can be beneficial for people with diabetes or at risk of developing diabetes. Improved insulin sensitivity can help the body to better regulate blood sugar levels, which can help to prevent high or low blood sugar. Golden algae has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help to reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation has been linked to a number of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, so reducing inflammation may have a number of health benefits. Golden algae is thought to promote weight loss by increasing the expression of a protein called UCP1 in fat cells. UCP1 is involved in thermogenesis, a process that produces heat and helps to burn calories. By increasing the expression of UCP1, golden algae may help to increase the rate at which the body burns fat. Uncoupling protein 1, UCP1, is a protein found in the mitochondria of fat cells, specifically in the cells of brown fat tissue. UCP1 is involved in a process called thermogenesis, which is the production of heat in the body. When UCP1 is activated, it uncouples the production of energy ADP from the production of heat, allowing heat to be produced without the need for additional ADP. This process helps to burn calories and can be beneficial for weight loss. UCP1 is activated by cold temperatures, which stimulate the production of heat in the body to help maintain body temperature. UCP1 is also activated by certain hormones, such as norepinephrine, which is released in response to stress or physical activity. Research suggests that increasing the expression of UCP1 in fat cells may help to increase the rate at which the body burns fat and may be beneficial for weight loss. Fucoxanthin, a pigment found in certain types of seaweed, is thought to increase the expression of UCP1 in fat cells and may have weight loss promoting effects as a result. It's important to note that more research is needed to fully understand the potential health benefits of fucoxanthin and to determine the optimal dosage and duration of supplementation. As with any supplement, it is important to speak with a healthcare provider before starting use. Hello again, and thank you for watching our video today on golden algae or fucoxanthin. I hope you enjoyed the video. As we all know, health is wealth. Taking care of our bodies and minds is one of the most important things we can do, and it pays off in so many ways. When we are healthy, we have more energy, feel better, and are able to enjoy life to the fullest. So let's make an effort to prioritize our health and take care of ourselves. Whether it's through exercise, eating well, getting enough sleep, or practicing self-care, there are so many things we can do to improve our health. Remember, when it comes to health, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So, let's invest in ourselves and our health today and every day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content. Health is wealth.